Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is one of my favorite days of the month. The Bargain Bead Box is here. This one's called Falling Leaves. I have been spoiled for this one. I saw so many pictures. Usually I'm pretty good at not paying attention to what the box has before I see what's in it, but this just didn't work out this month. But anyway, this is October is the peak of fall as greens change to orange and red. Carved green aventurine leaves represent the start of the season with pressed glass, carnelian, and crystal to mark various colors of orange, yellow, and red as the leaves change. A high quality set of brass and pewter findings in rose gold completes the autumnal palette. If you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you also get a 30% off coupon to their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. If you're interested in subscribing, please use coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in the description. That'll save you $2 off your first box and help the channel out. I'm just going to pop right into looking at what's in the box because they're all labeled now instead of in order like they used to be. This one says 6mm aventurine round beads, 15 inches. Aventurine is not my favorite gemstone. I just sometimes, green is really pretty. This is actually a nice color of aventurine. It's a little bit lighter than some of them. And it's not like pitted or anything. So this is a nice strand. It's just not my favorite green. It's just kind of like a blah green to me. But it's a nice stone strand. For aventurine, that's a good strand. And you all know I don't like autumn or fall colors together. So we'll see what we can do with this box. 8 pieces, 10mm crystal faceted beryl beads, green iris. I always love this shape. That's a pretty color combo. I love how flashy those are. Those are really pretty. Don't be surprised if whatever I make is not fall inspired. I've done a fall inspired video. It's not been posted yet, but you're probably only gonna get one out of me. 8mm aventurine faceted round beads, 7.5 inches. So nice. This would be good for just a quick gemstone stretchy bracelet. That's what I think whenever I see 8mm beads. And that's probably right around the right size strand to get you a stretchy bracelet and a pair of earrings. People love stacking bracelets. Oh, look what we have. Some 4mm faceted crystal bicone beads, Magma AB, 13 inches. I'm pretty sure they must have bought stock in whatever company supplies these because we always get these bicones, and this is a very popular color that we've gotten many times. 10mm carnelian matte round beads, dyed heated, 7.5 inches. I do love me some carnelian, and that's just really pretty. The matte, oh, those look lovely. They look like little planets, little red planets. I love that. Look at the striations in some of them. Very cool. That's my favorite thing so far. Brass leaf charms, 10 pieces. So they must be, I don't know if they're copper coated brass. Those are kind of cool. Could paint those. Very neat. Daisy spacer, lead cadmium free, 10 grams. Those are cute. Again, rose gold, copper color. Sometimes I don't have the best luck with that because it tarnishes pretty quickly. 53mm brass leaf pendant with genuine rose gold plating. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's very delicate, very pretty. I feel like you can have leaves without making it autumnal, so that's probably what I would do with this. Very nice pendant. Uh, 30 by 22mm green aventurine carved leaf pendant. Cute. I think this would be really cute with a Zuni bear or something above it. Ooh, maybe that's what I'll do with that. Make a pendant, put a Zuni bear above it. That's cute. $20 piece, 10 by 8mm glass leaf bead mix. Orange and pale, off-white cream color. A little bit of yellow in it. 7mm electroplated hematite synthetic nugget beads, rose gold, 7.5 inches. These are nice. They're kind of hefty. Those are really cute. I love these. I like the weird shape. I love how heavy they are, and I like the color. Four pieces, approximately 14 by 10mm frosted agate crackle barrel beads dyed. I love these. Those are really cool. I have some like that, but not this shape. Very nice. $10 12 by 10.5mm glass leaf beads, green iris, 11.5 inches. So I'm seeing a lot of leaves in this. I know, I get it. Okay, well, it's called falling leaves. I guess I just feel like there's a lot of the same going on in this box. And when we've been getting a lot of good variety, that being said, it's still a really good deal on a box. And these are cute beads. This would be really cute. As dangles, like if I wire wrapped a ton of these onto head pins, maybe we'll do that with a bracelet. A couple more things. We've got 3 sets of 20 by 26mm toggle clasps, lead and cadmium free. Those are nice. They're like that bamboo motif. 2-piece 28 by 15mm green aventurine carved leaf pendant and bails. Lots of leaves. I guess they're living up to the name on this one. And we got 2 little pinch bails. Actually, those aren't pinch bails. They're just bails that you slip on. And last but not least, 1 meter 5 by 4mm brass jewelry chain lead nickel cadmium free. And that's a nice little chain. So do I think this box is a great value? Yes. Do I like all of these beads independently? For the most part, I really do. Is this my least favorite box of 2023? Yes, absolutely. And you can't love them all because we've been getting some really good boxes, but you can't love them all. And this one is just my least favorite. And it's not through the fault of Bargain Bead Box. It's through my lens of I don't like autumn, and leaves are like not my favorite thing. So it is what it is. Am I gonna make some jewelry with it? Absolutely. So let me take a look and we'll get some stuff made. Okay, we're gonna go easy and we're gonna make a pair of earrings. We're gonna need 3 of these leaves. I am gonna turn 1 into a dangle and then 2 into a connector. Just gonna take and point the pointy side down towards my ball head pin. I'm just going to do a wire wrap loop at the top. Okay. And I have, I don't know if this is long enough. I have a piece of 24 gauge wire. I'm just going to do a wire wrapped loop. Just do a couple little wraps here to secure that. And take my other leaf. And I know I said 3, I've already done 1, so we only have to do 1 of each on camera. And I am just going to do another loop at the top to make it a connector. And snip that off. So I've got 1 piece here, 1 piece here, and another here. And then I am going to take another ball head pin, and I'm going to make 12 of these for each earring. So you need 24 altogether of my little magma bicones, and do a wire wrapped loop at the top. I've already created all of my little dangles through the magic of television. But wanted to show you how to do one. It's just like we did on the leaf. These are in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I will leave a link in this the description of this video. So okay, and now that I have 12 of those done, I am going to also grab 3 jump rings and we're going to assemble our earrings. So here's the first one. I am going to put on 2 dangles, my leaf bottom, or my bottom leaf, 2 more dangles, these jump rings are particularly slippery. They've jumped out of my hands, no pun intended, a couple times. And then my next leaf. And then I am going to close that jump ring. And then I'm going to repeat the exact same thing. 2 dangles, my leaf, 2 dangles, my next leaf. Part of the reason why I'm not feeling so into fall is because I just got a notification it's going to be 103 degrees tomorrow. It doesn't feel like fall, it feels like summer. Oh, and I did that leaf upside down. So I'm going to undo, that's what I get for talking. Undo that and then just reposition that leaf. And then last but not least, 2 more dangles, my leaf, 2 more dangles, and then my ear wire. And there we go. We have some fall leafy earrings. I think these would be cute too with if you wanted to just intersperse some of the orange and yellow or cream or whatever color that is. But I like the green with the orange. I think I'm going to do a little giveaway. I am going to, if you leave a comment on this video, I don't care what it is, I'll just send you all the rest of the leaves from this kit. So you can make your own earrings. And if you want the bag cones, I can throw those in too. But thanks for watching. I'm so excited that if this is the first time you've watched my channel, that you found my channel. And if you've been here for a while, I appreciate you so much. We're going to hit 20,000 people soon, or 20,000 subscribers. I would love to get there before the end of the year. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please like and share. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. If you want to subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box, please use coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in the description of this video. So that way we get credit on the channel, or I get credit on the channel, and you can save $2. Let's see. Today is the 18th. So if you'd like to enter to win the leaves, please enter by October 21st at 5 p.m. Eastern. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. You're such a baby. Yeah, you're such a baby. You're super clingy too. You've been on me all day. All day, bud.